Let's make ceviche de camarón. We'll begin by chopping some cilantro. Feel free to chop as much or little cilantro according to your preference. We'll also chop tomato, cucumber, onion, and chile serrano, which is optional. Now we'll chop pre-cooked shrimp. To mix all these yummy ingredients, we'll pour everything into a mixing bowl. To give this ceviche some sabor, let's squeeze some limes. Here we used 3 full limes. Now we'll add crushed oregano, sprinkle some salt, squeeze out ketchup, and pour a bit of soy sauce. Now let's mix all these sabores. Now we'll get a tostada and add our finished ceviche. An optional last ingredient is avocado. Enjoy this ceviche de camarón. It's yummy.